guess I need to swap it to video mode. What's up, guys? So if you saw my video probably about 2 months back, you saw me stripping the power valves out of an 03 RM250 cylinder. They were pretty oily. This thing had never been apart before. Scratching the cylinder wall, we sent it off to POWERSEAL. So today we're going to go ahead and unbox that cylinder that we just got back from POWERSEAL a couple days ago, and see how it looks. Normally these things look pretty good when they come back. They're freshly sandblasted, all new Nicosil walls. So let's I haven't seen it yet myself, so let's unbox it and check it out. There's our studs. Oh, check this out. Wow, look at that, man. That is clean. Let me bring it over here where we have more light. Look at that thing, man. I mean, you literally cannot tell the difference in this and a brand new cylinder. If you can see those walls right there. Crispy, dude. Absolutely everything new, back to stock bore. That looks good. So all we have to do is put the power valves back in, put a couple new seals in, put the studs back in, and then it's good to go. It'll go back to the customer, and he'll start assembling it. Got a new top end and everything in it for him. So nice, man. This bike should rip. 03 RM250 should absolutely rip when it's done. Big thanks to POWERSEAL USA. I've been using these guys since 2006, and I've never had an issue with one single cylinder. And I'm telling you, I have sent probably 200 cylinders to this place over the last decade, and I've never had an issue with a bike. I've never had an issue with the cylinder wall. I've never had an issue with their shipping, their customer service, or anything. And their prices are pretty good. They're better than Millennium in my experience. So yeah, dude. So like, this is a couple $100 to have this done, and you've got a brand new like $500 to $700 cylinder, depending on the brand. Don't be one of those guys that calls around and gets a $100 sleeve and then goes and pays the machine shop to press in $100 steel sleeve for $50 or $100. That's not the way these bikes are supposed to run, man. You will have issues eventually. Put Nicosil back. Do it right. Make it the way it's supposed to be. Any of you guys need a cylinder done, I'd recommend POWERSEAL. If you don't want to mess with it, I do have a dealership with them, so you can send me your cylinders. I can strip them and send them out, then reassemble them when they get back, or you can strip them and send them to me, and I can send them to POWERSEAL and take care of all that. So if anybody needs any help with some two-stroke cylinders, get at me.